Hey, welcome back. I'm continuing to work on this probabilistic step sequencer in FMOD, and I've added a baseline. So I'm building on the same concepts that I used to build up the drum patterns, but now I've added an additional layer of complexity where the user is able to select the note for the bass at a particular step. So two layers here controlling the baseline, the probability that a note occurs, and then what note will occur if a note occurs. So if we take a look at this, I'm still using an embedded event here so that I can change out the sound used for the bass if needed without needing to replace all of these events in the sequencer. Then if we look at the automations, there's two automations down here. There's one that is specifying the note, which is manipulating the pitch of the event instrument. And so we can see I've got it tuned to a minor scale here. So in this case, it's F minor scale. And then the second parameter is the same parameter, just like the drums, where we've got an additional parameter that's controlling per step the probability that a note occurs. So of course, this is not a very user intuitive or end user intuitive interface in FMOD, but the idea is that there's this system here that could then be packaged inside of the game engine or an iOS app to have a much more intuitive user interface to allow players or users to build their own musical sequences using this system. So up at the top here, you can see here's all of the choices for the bass notes. So specified in note name. And then a little bit lower than that, we can see the probability that a note will occur on a given step. Then the last thing that I've done here is I've routed all the drum tracks through a drum bus and currently the bass track just through another bass track or a kind of a submix here within the event. And I'm doing this so that I can drop in a sidechain on the kick drum and then sidechain the bass bus to that kick drum so that every single time the kick drum hits, which again is determined probabilistically, the bass, if it's making sound, will momentarily step out of the way to give us that kind of classic sidechained kick sound. So here's a demo of it making a pattern. There it is. Thanks for watching.